So somebody just posted a video about the switch node, and they didn't point out what it's really good for, in my opinion. It was a good video, but this is by far, to me, the best use of this node. Maybe you guys will disagree, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This might be very helpful for new users. So right here I have my text going into my media out. And I'm going to take a transform. So this transform, all it's doing is changing the angle from 0 to 1080 at the end. I also changed the text color. So it starts off blue and it ends at yellow, I believe. So this is what we got. Nothing special at all, but it's a start. So normally we would add more stuff. We'll add this color corrector. Say we want to change the color. Now it's orange. And we play it. Change to pink. We can change the brightness and contrast. And now it looks like garbage, but that's not the point. So if we say at this point we like what we got, except we want to do something else, but we're not sure exactly how to do it, or we're not sure what we want it to look like, an easy way to go about it is to use the switch node. So we grab all this and we go to group. Now we have a group. Now what we do is we copy and paste it. So we have a copy of it. And then we press Shift Space and we type in SW and click on Switch. Now we grab our switch from the first group and our second group and connect it. And then we connect our switch to the media out. Now in the switch, we go into configure and we can name these. We'll just name it start for the first one and finish for the second one, for lack of better terms. So go back to controls. So now, right now, we have our original one. You could tell because it says start. If we click on the second one, it's going to look the same because we haven't done anything. So let's open up this group. And we'll go to the color corrector. And let's change it to whatever that is. Let's get rid of this brightness because that's kind of ruining everything. We'll just turn that off. So now it's going from yellow to a peach color. Now if we go to the switch and we change it back, it looks like crap like it did before. So let's open this up and we'll turn off that brightness and contrast. And now you can see we're seeing the orange to pink that we had before. And we'll go to finish. And we have our second version of it. So we can collapse this one again. And let's say we're happy with where we are right here. Let's collapse this group. And we will copy and paste. We'll drag this in. See, now you have to go to switch. And if you go to configure, you can change number of inputs. So you can have as many as you want, I think. But we're going to have 3. So we'll just put it at 3. And then we can connect that. Now if we open up this group, let's say we want to change the transform. We'll go to transform. Let's turn that off. And instead of 1080, let's do something like 3060 for whatever reason. So if we go to switch again, you can see we have start and we have finish, and we didn't name this one yet. It's called input 2. So we'll name that done. Yeah, that works. All right. So if we go back to controls and we click on done, now you can see it's spinning much faster. So we'll go from our start that we were okay with to our finish that we were kind of happy with to our done where this is what we wanted. So it's kind of like layers, but not really. You can build massive projects inside of a group, copy and paste it, and change stuff around without ruining your original idea, in case you were close but not quite there. I hope that makes sense, and I hope it's helpful to new beginners. It's helped me a lot in experimenting with different texts or different transitions between projects. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Peace.